My name is Jill, and I'm a cleaner at Dazzle. One of the things I love the most about working at Dazzle is sort of the individuality of it, coming off of a lot of restaurant job, where you're always interacting with a bunch of people. It's nice to kind of just listen to your audiobook or your podcast and think. I also like working with employees in team efforts. My boss is Terry. I think that meeting I've really admired his ability to start the business and all of his marketing techniques. It's great that it's a 8 to 5, only on weekends if you want. It's really for my home life, being a parent.
Yes.
And it has really good benefit. So it's been an overall win.
Awesome. And can you tell me just like real briefly what was happening today, like what this meeting was about and what kind of updates you got?
Yeah, so today was one of our period meetings that we do a few times a year where the whole staff gets together and give us a bunch of updates about what's changed or what's new and review some of the things that we are already supposed to know with like our cleaning techniques. Today, the focus on how we're paid for the jobs that we do, things that are a big part of what we are concerned with being employees, like the driving that we have to do to get to the jobs we need to go to, the length of time we have, and just like all the details so that we don't have any confusion about what we're being asked of and what we should be asking them for returned.
Cool.
All right. Thank you.